Laws.com, Legal Forms Guide.
Form 500X, Amended Corporation Income Tax Return. Maryland corporations which need to amend a previously filed income tax return should do so within 3 years using a Form 500X. The form is found on the website of the Comptroller of Maryland. Step 1. Enter the fiscal year beginning and ending dates of the applicable period if not filing on a calendar year basis. Step 2. Give your corporation's current name, address, and federal employer identification number. If different from the one on your original return, enter the original name, address, and federal employer identification number on the right where indicated. Step 3. Enter the 6 questions below about the reason for your amended return by checking yes or no. Step 4. Lines 1 through 10E require you to provide the originally entered values in column A, the net increase or decrease between that and your corrected figures in column B, and the corrected amount in column C. Document your income as instructed on lines 1 through 5. Step 5. Skip to Part C on the second page to calculate your Maryland apportionment factor. Transfer the result from line 5 of this section to line 6 of the first page. Step 6. Multiply line 5 by line 6 and enter the results on line 7. Step 7. Calculate your tax owed on lines 8 and 9 as instructed. Step 8. Document taxes paid and applicable credits on lines 10A through 10E. Step 9. Complete lines 11 through 15 as instructed to determine your balance or refund due. Step 10. If you are filing late, calculate your interest penalty due as instructed on line 16. Enter your final total due on line 17. Step 11. In Part D on the second page, provide a full explanation of all amended numbers. Include the line number for every change. Attach all supporting documentation. An officer should sign and date the form.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit Laws.com.